Hi, I'm Connor from Cavan Connects, and in this short video we're going to talk about how to spot and challenge mis- and disinformation about international protection applicants and refugees in Ireland. By the end, you'll have a few simple tools to help keep your community informed, fair, and welcoming. You might hear two words used a lot: misinformation and disinformation. Misinformation is false or misleading information that people share by accident, because they think it's true. Disinformation is false information that is created or spread on purpose, usually to stir up fear, anger, or division. When it comes to people seeking protection in Ireland, both can show up in social media posts, WhatsApp messages, or even local rumours about who's coming here, what they are getting, or what the law says. In Ireland, people who apply for international protection have come here because they are seeking safety from war, persecution, or serious harm. Like anyone else, they are entitled to fair treatment, privacy, and a chance to rebuild their lives. False claims, for example, exaggerating the number of people arriving, or saying that applicants get special treatment that others don't, can create fear and resentment in local communities. That can lead to tension, discrimination, and even make it harder to provide education, housing, and supports that help everyone in the community, including long-term residents. So, what can you do when you see a dramatic post or message about refugees or international protection applicants? There's a simple habit you can use. Stop. Think. Check. Before you like, comment, or share, stop or pause for a moment. Ask yourself, do I actually know this is true, or am I reacting to a headline or a picture? Think. Think about the content and why it was made. Is it using very strong or emotional language? Does it blame one group of people for all our problems? Does it try to make you angry or afraid? If the answer is yes, it may be trying to manipulate your feelings rather than inform you. Check. Now, check the facts. Look for the same claim on trusted sources like gov.ie, the International Protection Office, or recognized organizations that work with refugees. See if the numbers and dates line up with official statistics on international protection in Ireland. If you still can't verify it, treat it with caution and don't share it on. Websites linked from bmediasmart.ie and the Department of Justice pages on misinformation about migration offer extra guidance and examples to help you practice this. In Ireland, people who apply for international protection have a right to privacy. It is an offence to publish information that could identify an individual applicant, including photos or details that point to a specific person or family. Online platforms are supposed to provide easy ways to report content that may be illegal or that targets international protection applicants or refugees. If you see content that looks threatening or abusive, you can report it on the platform and, where appropriate, to Gardaí. In Cavan and across Ireland, adult and digital literacy programs are helping people build the skills to read information critically, use the internet safely, and take part confidently in community life. By improving digital and critical literacy, we make it harder for false stories to spread and easier for everyone to make up their own mind based on facts. Here are a few simple things you can do in your own area. Start conversations. If someone shares a rumor about the refugees, gently ask, where did that information come from, and suggest checking it together. Share reliable sources. When you see good, factual information from official Irish sites about migration and international protection, share that instead of rumors. Get involved in learning. Local libraries, ETBs and community groups often run digital skills and media literacy courses for adults. These help people learn how to find, understand and question information online. Thanks for watching. I'm Connor from Cavan Connects, and you've just learned how to use Stop, Think, Check to challenge misinformation and disinformation about international protection applicants and refugees in Ireland. When we pause, ask questions, and look for facts, we help keep our communities informed, fair, and welcoming for everyone.